What's up, guys? The Gamer Away here. In this video today, in this video tutorial today, on the Noah All Things YouTube channel, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add an overlay on OBS. I've known how to add overlays on OBS before, so I'm going to give you the step-by-step how to add an overlay on that. So here you go. So you want to go here to your scenes right here. Just add a new scene. Well, whatever, scene 2, continue. So like I said, what I was about to say, I had to pause there. Just add the display scene. So you want to go to add source, and then you want to go to image, and just choose one of your existing ones, but you can create a new one as well. But like a just chatting scene just like there. So yeah, put your just chatting scene just like that. And then you can add another one as well to your scenes. You can add, these are my Christmas ones that I want to show you. But yeah, here you can show these as well to add these overlays if you want to add those. You can also remove them if they don't fit your liking. Just like that. Then just want to add like a regular overlay scene. You can add your media sources. This. Back. Just put that right there, and you just display the scene just like that. And you can just add your image like I did before. You put like right soon right there, and then you just set off the rest of your other sources. But I hope this video definitely does help you out. If it did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to more videos down below, and I do appreciate all your support, guys, and hopefully this video does help you out of adding overlays to OBS. I will make more videos of adding things to OBS in future videos, so hope you guys enjoyed it. The Gamer Away here, and I will see you guys in the next video.